Angela here, and today I'm going to share with you guys how to use these rice papers into 3 different ways. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make, how to use these and how versatile these rice papers are. So let's go. So these rice papers are typically used in Vietnamese cooking. They're most known for those fresh spring rolls that you get. Basically, you'll rehydrate them, roll them up and whatnot. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys how to make them into rolls, but 2 different rolls. First, the traditional kind, and 2, kind of a dim sum hack, if you will. So let's get that started. Okay. So these are the rice wrappers I'm using. I usually use the really big ones, but I've recently found these at Whole Foods. They're a 6-inch diameter. I think they're like the perfect size for like if you're just feeding, you know, yourself. So I really like these. So here are our filling choices. You could fill them with whatever you want. Traditionally, there's usually some shrimp, some herbage. I have some cilantro, some cucumbers, I have some green onions, carrots, romaine lettuce, but you could do however you feel fit. Make these spring rolls. So you're gonna get some water, not cold, but not hot. I like it to be a little warm. Okay, and then you just submerge, but you don't wanna submerge it long, just like 2 sides like that, because it's gonna continue getting soft after you fold it. So what I like to do is I like to get the shrimp facing the outside like this, because this is what's gonna show, right? And then you're gonna get some carrots. Okay. And get some green onions. Maybe 2 pieces of cucumber. Some of your herbs. And then I like to break up the lettuce. And this kind of helps hold it together like that, okay? And then we are gonna roll. Okay, and then you're gonna tuck it over like this. Tuck it over and make sure it's nice and tight, like that. There we go. Okay, now that you have your rolls, it's just me, so I'm just gonna be eating 2. You wanna get your sauce. Now I'll link down below how to make a peanut sauce for this. I have a bottled version of it. Okay, so here are our first rolls. Now you could fill them with anything. I know a lot of times if you go to the Vietnamese restaurants, they'll fill it with vermicelli noodles. You can do that, but I am watching carbs at this moment, so I'm just using it with some veg and some shrimp. Let's give it a try. What's that? Since when hydrated, these rice papers come out chewy. I'm gonna show you another fun kind of roll recipe. Here are our makeshift rice noodles. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a reference photo right here. And yeah, doesn't it look like it? It also feels like it. And again, you don't have to do shrimp filling. You can do chashu if you'd like. Chef kiss. Oh my God. It tastes like dim sum. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish this up and I'll show you guys the second thing you could use rice papers for. Vietnamese pizza. So I have a pan getting hot right now. In the meantime, I have an egg with some green onions and some fish sauce that I am going to whisk up. And then you're gonna see your pan is starting to get hot. We are going to directly put one of our rice papers onto the pan. just like that. And you're gonna see it start curling like that. As it's curling, you just wanna plop it down, and then you wanna spread, in this case, a little bit of the egg, because I'm using a smaller rice paper. Just like that. Yes. And I just wanna spread the egg around, put some sriracha on here, because I love sriracha. Sprinkle on some cilantro. Basically, you kind of just want to wait until the pizza is crispy. Another thing I've seen people add mayonnaise to this. So I'm just going to spread with the world's tiniest mayonnaise spreader. Some mayonnaise on here. And here it is. One of those big rice papers where you can cut it. I'll end up folding it like a quesadilla and then eat it like that. Here it is, our Vietnamese pizza that I evidently have like a quesadilla. And I swear to God, this is a thing. This is not like an American thing or a thing that I came up with. Like, I legitimately know this is a thing. So let's give it a try. Yeah. What I like about this is that it keeps that chewiness in the middle, but then there's the crispiness from the edge. Kind of like a pizza. Can't get too full on this because we have our third and final rice paper recipe. We're gonna be making chips. Okay, so for our third and final rice paper recipe, we're gonna take our rice paper. We're actually gonna cut it. Oh my God, look how cute these scissors are. Anyways, we're gonna cut it into, in this case, fourths, because these are small. Kind of like nacho chips, just like that. Okay. Oh, okay, so now you got like chips. See? Here, I have some super hot oil, and I'm about to show you some magic. Look at that. We're just gonna drop them in. All right, so for your final recipe, here are the chips. I'm taking some salt. I'm salting them like you would regular chips. All right, here's our final product, our rice paper chips. Let me show you how crispy these are. Some serving suggestions. If you have some poke or make some poke on the side, I'll link my video down below and put it on top of these chips. Fire. Guacamole is equally as delicious on these chips. All right, guys, I hope you like that. I hope you like this video. Hopefully you go out and buy some rice paper and make up some of these recipes yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love making things out of rice paper that are crispity and crunchity, like me. Or well, just me. I'll catch you guys to the next video. Take care. Bye.